Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة نساؤكم حرث لكم فأتوا حرثكم أنا شئتم وقدموا لأنفسكم واتقوا الله واعلموا أنكم ملاقوه وبشر المؤمنين. Translation: Your wives are like cultivation for you to sow seed. So go to your cultivation however you wish and provide something good in advance for yourselves. And be pious, fearing Allah, and know that you have to appear before Him and give good news to the believers. In Sahih Bukhari, there is a narration by Hazrat Jabir Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu who said that Jews used to say that if a man will do vaginal intercourse from his wife from behind, he will get a child that will be squint. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has corrected this false belief, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said that your wives are like cultivation for you to sow seed. So you can do the vaginal intercourse from whichever direction that pleases you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said cultivation to the wives. So He has given a clear message that the meeting of male and female in the form of husband and wife has two benefits. One, that it will be good for his eyes and his nafs and his sexual desires, and number two, that this contact will also produce the offsprings, and this is also required and needed for human race. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said in a hadith that marry a woman who will have many kids, so that I can be proud on the abundance of Muslims in the day of justice. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given this clear message in this ayah, and the anal intercourse, or the way the people of Lut, the people of Lut alayhi salam did the sexual intercourse, is haram and prohibited in Islam and should never be done. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala then said that وَقَدِّمُوا لِأَنفُسِكُمْ, that send good deeds for yourself for the hereafter. And then Allah said that wattaqullah, that get the taqwa of Allah. And it is important to understand that during these commandments and during these laws and orders of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, repeatedly there is mention of taqwa. So no matter how good Allah is, if there is no God fearing, the law cannot be applicable and cannot be obeyed. So if someone has the fear of Allah and the love of Allah and he wants to please Allah, only then it will be possible for him to follow all the laws of Allah. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the reason or the main incentive of getting taqwa, that if somebody believes that they will have to appear before Allah, they will never break any law of Allah. And in the end, Allah said that those people should be happy and should get glad tidings. O Allah, give us true understanding of Islam. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.